A group of men decided to do a job in 4 days, but 20 men dropped out every day. Find the number of men who initially decided to do the job if job was completed in 7 days. A group of men decided to do a job in 4 days, but 20 men dropped out every day. Find the number of men who initially decided to do the job if the job was completed in 7 days. So this is a 10th grade arithmetic progression example. So to solve this problem, we have to find out the number of men who initially decided to do the job. Let us say they are X. Now, in both the scenarios, whether X men complete the job in 4 days or number of people reducing by 20 starting with X every day, and it took 7 days, both the scenarios the work done is the same, or basically man days is same. Man days is number of people into days. So in the first scenario we have X men into 4 days, that should be equal to, here we have 7 days. In the first day we have X, second day it is X minus 20, like that we have to go for 7 days, or basically we have to do 7 terms. So the formula we'll be using to find out the sum of n terms is given by S of n equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms. Here it is 7 terms, and a is the starting first term, or basically X, and the common difference is minus 20. So let's go ahead and substitute them. We will have 4x equals to, number of days is 7, so terms are 7 by 2 into 2 into a, that is 2x, plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, into d is minus 20. Now we solve this, we'll get our answer. 4x equals to 7 by 2 into 2x minus 120. Simplify that, we will have 4x equals to 7 into x minus 60. Open the brackets, we will have 4x equals to 7x minus 420, or 3x equals to 420, or x equals to 140. So the number of men who initially decided to do the job are 140. We can check this. 140 into 4 is 560. One side, that's a man days I have. Since it is 7 days only, we can easily club them and we can check that. First time it will be 140, then it will be 120, then 100, then 80, 60, 40 and 20. Club them, we should get again 560, 260, 360, 440, 500, 540, 560. So since it is 7 days only, we did this verification, otherwise it may not be possible. But we can check that the number of men who initially decided to the job were 140. Let's have a recap of this. A group of men decided to do a job in 4 days, but 20 men dropped out every day. Find the number of men who initially decided to do the job if job was completed in 7 days. We said let the number of men be X. Then the work done by them in 4 days is 4x. The same work is completed in the second scenario, in which started with x, but every day 20 men dropped out. So we use their arithmetic progression concept, sum of n terms here. Our a is x and d is minus 20 and n equals to 7. Substituting in the sum of n terms formula, simplifying, we get x equals to 140.